Hi everyone! Welcome to Gaitan's Kitchen. I'm Sharon Gaitan. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Latin, Italian, and French-inspired charcuterie board. This recipe is great to share with someone you love. Let's get started. Ingredients you'll need to have for this recipe include dried mango, dried apricots, manchego cheese, mozzarella, boursin, Brie cheese, some dried salami, blueberry goat cheese, some tomatoes for the Caprese salad, and you could get the rest of the information and instructions in the description below. First, I'm making the balsamic glaze for the Caprese salad. I have 1 cup of balsamic vinegar. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm cutting the bread lengthwise, just a small piece for the charcuterie board. What do you call a Caprese salad on top of a charcuterie board? A Caprese or a Caprese charcuterie? Let me know in the comment below after watching this video. I'm pouring the balsamic glaze into the jar and let it cool down. I'm making chimichurri sauce, and it's simple and fresh. It goes well with just about everything. Mince the garlic. I have the chimichurri mix in here. I'm adding some red pepper, some lemon juice, and then some red wine vinegar, a little bit of salt and pepper. Mix it up all together. Then I add some wine. A little bit of wine, your favorite red wine that's not too sweet. You can add a little bit more if you want to taste. Then some oil. Mix it all together. I got my small little heart here, and you could use a bigger heart cookie cutter if you'd like. Now, to make it not be sticky, you should put the Brie cheese in the freezer at least about 5 to 10 minutes prior to cutting it. That way it's not super sticky. Making a rose salami, and you can utilize any glass you'd like. I'm making the rose salami on this small little glass because I'm making a charcuterie for 2. I found that this is the easiest step. First, start by folding half of the salami into the glass, and then just build it up by adding more around the glasses. Close this up, flip the wine glass, push it down a little, and voila! I'm laying the Caprese salad, and you want to start by putting the basil and the tomatoes on top of the cheese. That way it's easier to grab. The bread has been toasted. Yummy bread for chimichurri sauce. I have some sliced mango, place it there. Parmesan cheese. Then I have the manchego cheese, which I have already sliced. I got some nice, beautiful color dried apricots. Place some salami. Cut up some slices of the goat cheese and put it. Fill up the rest of the area with crackers and nuts. You would fill up all the spaces with nuts, whatever nuts that you purchase. I have cashews. I have some grapes here, and we're going to fill up the heart with grapes. Then place some blueberries on top of the brie. I've got fresh rosemary from my yard, and putting it around the charcuterie board makes it extra special. I have some utensils, and I don't like to put it on top of the charcuterie board, but on the side so people can grab it as they please. Lastly, drizzle the balsamic glaze on top of the caprese salad. We got the garlicky and herb infused chimichurri to go with the bread and the cheese. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe by hitting on that little bell icon so that you get notification every time we post a new recipe. Coming up, we're bringing the kitchen outdoors into the wilderness, where I'll show you how to cook a quick and easy fusion pizza. Also, later on, I have a special Puerto Rican fusion recipe that you wouldn't want to miss. Until then, see you next time.